Suppose alpha, beta, and gamma are real numbers. Consider the following system of linear equation: x plus y plus z equal to alpha, x plus beta y plus z equal to gamma, and third one equation is x plus y plus alpha z equal to beta. Then if this system has at least one solution, then which of the following statement is are true? Is are true, it means one or more options may be right here. As x plus y plus z equal to alpha, so I write augmented matrix 1 1 1 alpha, 1 beta, 1 gamma, 1 1 alpha, beta. This is augmented matrix, and this is matrix A before this line, and if we join column B, then AB read as augmented matrix. A system has a solution if coefficient matrix. This matrix A is known as coefficient matrix because here the numbers are coefficients of the variable x, y, z. So matrix A, coefficient matrix A, it means its rank is equal to rank of augmented matrix. For a solution, it is necessary rank of coefficient matrix should be equal to rank of augmented matrix. If solution will be unique, then this will equal to number of variable, but this is not the condition here, so there is no need to write here. Only this is necessary and sufficient condition for a system has a solution. So we have to find a relation between alpha, beta, and gamma so that we can tell about the values of these used constant. Also, we can understand this problem system has a solution if this column matrix or column vector B is in the linear combination of column A, or we can say in another words B is range space of A. So there are three equivalent statements we can say about the solution. So reduce this matrix to find the solution. So I write again 1 1 1 alpha, 1 beta, 1 gamma, and matrix is 1 1 alpha, beta. Apply elementary row operation to reduce this system. It will be 1 1 1 alpha, 0 beta minus 1, 0 gamma minus alpha, and 0 0 alpha minus 1 and beta minus alpha. This is equivalent matrix after elementary row operation. So come to the options. If options is not given to us, then system has solution when rank of coefficient matrix equal to augmented matrix. If we got a row of the type 0 0 0 and this is non-entry non-zero entry, then system has no solution because for this, because this is the row before the row of the coefficient matrix, so its rank will be one less, but this is leading entry in augmented matrix, so it will rank of augmented matrix will differ from the coefficient matrix. So if anyhow we get the row of 0 0 0 equal to non-zero number, then system has no solution. So for solution, if options is not given to us, then system has solution for either both entry is 0 last both entry are 0, or these are alpha minus 1 is equal to non-zero value, and beta minus alpha may be any. So because option come to the option A, if alpha equal to 1, then this entry will be 0 in last entry in coefficient matrix. So this entry should be 0. If this is not 0, then system has no solution, but it is the given condition, system has solution. So if alpha equal to 1, then beta minus alpha must equal to 0. It means beta equal to alpha, and alpha is 1. So beta is 1, and put beta equal to 1 here. So this entry will be 0. So this is 0 0 0 0 0 0 and gamma minus 1. So gamma must be 1. Otherwise, if gamma minus 1 is equal to non-zero number, then this augment, because make this row, make third row above in place of row 2, and coefficient matrix and augmented matrix will have differ rank. So it is necessary, if alpha equal to 1, then gamma equal to 1. So option A is right here. Now come to option B. If beta equal to 1, then second row will be 0 0 0 and gamma minus alpha. So this should equal to 0. Gamma minus alpha should equal to 0. So gamma equal to alpha. So option B is also true. Otherwise, if gamma minus alpha not equal to 0, then this is the row of the 0 0 type, 0 0 0 and non-zero value, and I already explained this why having not solution. So option B is true. If beta is not equal to 1, then alpha equal to 1. If beta is not equal to 1, either in case, I will change the color of the pen. If beta is not equal to 1, either here or here, then there is no necessary condition alpha should equal to 1, because this entry will be, last entry will be 1 minus or any non-zero value minus alpha, and alpha equal to 1. If alpha equal to 1, then system has no solution. So this condition is not true for a solution. So option C, as I wrote here, D, so it is option C. This is option C. And in option D, if gamma equal to 1, then system implies that alpha equal to 1. If gamma equal to 1, it means here should be entry 1, 1 minus alpha, and alpha equal to 1, then this is 0 entry. So it is not necessary. If gamma equal to 1, then alpha equal to 1. Alpha may be any value, but this entry should be 0, beta minus 1. So only option A and B are true, and option C and D are true either in the case if beta is equal to 1, then alpha take any value, or if gamma is equal to 1, as in option D, then there is no necessary alpha should be 1. So C and D are false here. Correct options are only A and B.